If you don't have this, which we've already ripped through this earlier. Oh wait, no, this is a new one. This one's full. Just kidding. It was all piled at the bottom. So you get cotton candy crunch powder. If you don't have this, you do not have a cotton candy pickle kit. Cotton candy pop rocks. It comes in this gift box, indestructo. And you get all the candies for a regular kit, and you get a blue raz pickle in there. The pickle is the blue raz pickle. This is the sweetest one we make, and it's fruity, so it just goes really perfect with the cotton candy stuff. All of that is coming in the box that one of you is about to win. 7 minutes and 49 seconds.